Today we're here with Joe Hines. Apparently he's going to eat a ghost pepper, which on the Scoville rating is 1,000,000. It's recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records hottest pepper in the world. I'll leave the floor to you. Have fun.
Alright guys, about a week ago I said if I got 100 likes on Facebook on my Fowl Family page that I would eat a ghost pepper, which like Tony said is the hottest pepper in the world. So about 3 hours later we had about 103 likes on Facebook. So I'm going to eat the middle part with the seeds, which is supposed to be the hottest part. So here we go. Alright.
Flavor?
Delicious?
It's actually not that hot. Oh my god. Oh, not that bad yet. I can't even swallow my own spit.
Pretty hard to breathe the cool air.
What's it taste like? What's going on?
There's no taste. There's just, it gets more and more intense. Dude, it's like 5 watts just stung me in the mouth. Oh my god.
You go to the hospital?
Oh my god. I didn't help at all.
Look at him shake. Jesus Christ.
Well, better hope you can't waste it. Oh,
Is that coat behind you?
I can't even eat. No.
Deuce!
It's like in my throat.
I can't imagine.
Like when you exhale, it just gets intense. Alright.
I wouldn't eat any more. They said it gets worse over minutes. Like,
yeah, after like 30 minutes,
it's like the worst.
Did you watch the Hawaiian dude do it?
Yeah, that's what we all watch. Yeah.
I don't think I'm gonna have to go to bird shooting. Look, it sucks.
I can't imagine a lot.
Unbelievable.
I can eat hot stuff. I ate a habanero like 3 years ago and that sucked. This sucks.
I suppose that air kind of screws with you.
That was a horrible idea to take that other bite too.
Yeah. You manned up on that one, didn't you?
Done. Nose is running. Do it. Scratch it off the bucket list. Like when you drink the milk, it's fine. When you talk, you're like, it makes it more intense. Well, there you go. 100 likes. If I get 500 likes, I'm either going to get pepper sprayed or I'll get tasered. So keep the likes coming. And we just got back from North Dakota, so we got a North Dakota hunt that should be online anytime, and then the early season is coming too, so we should have that on the internet in no time. So keep the likes coming, and I'm just going to sit here and be miserable for a little bit.